Hello friends, welcome to my educational channel. Here you are at your pet our care. I am Dr. Sudarshani Dasanayakar, consultant veterinary surgeon from Sri Lanka. Hope you enjoy well and gain deep insight about today's topic. Today we are going to discuss about vitamin B7 and therefore today our topic is benefits of vitamin B7 for your dog. Vitamin B7, also known as biotin, vitamin H, coenzyme R and biofidel. Biotin is an important vitamin for your dog. It is a member of vitamin B complex. It is a vitamin for hair, skin and nails. It can be synthesized by normal healthy gut flora in sufficient amount. Furthermore, biotin is sparingly soluble in cold water and alcohol. However, it is highly soluble in hot water. It gets destroyed in acid solution and it is photostable. Chemical formula of biotin C10H16N2O3S. Its molecular weight 244.31 gram per mole. It appears as white crystal needles. Vitamin B7 isolated by Du Vigneault, Hoffman, Melville and Georgi in 1941 from liver extract. Its structure identified by Du Vigneault and others in 1942. Structure of biotin: it is an organic heterobicyclic compound. It has urido ring and it linked with tetrahydrothiophene ring. That tetrahydrothiophene ring again linked with valeric acid. Dietary forms of biotin: free biotin form, mainly found in plant materials. Biotin bound to protein, mainly found in animal tissues. Digestion: protein bound biotin in the intestinal lumen convert to short peptide biotin by enzymes called proteases and peptidases. Short peptide biotins again convert to prebiotin by enzyme called biotinidase enzyme. Absorption of vitamin B7: it absorbs as prebiotin through active transport across intestinal mucosa. If high concentration is in the intestinal lumen, passive diffusion also takes place. It transports throughout the body in plasma as free form. Biotin freely filtered by the renal tubules and it excretes via urine as biotin or biotin metabolites. Due to water solubility, this vitamin cannot be stored in the body. However, highest concentration can be found in liver and kidney. Avidin, also known as antibiotin, is an antinutrient. It is an alkaline glycoprotein. It found in raw egg white. It has strong affinity to bind with biotin. Therefore, it prevents dietary biotin absorption in the small intestine. However, while avidin gets partially denatured and reduces its ability to bind with biotin. Therefore, in order to protect bioavailability of biotin, only feed boiled eggs. Vitamin B7 acts as a coenzyme for carboxylase enzymes, that is, enzymes used in carbohydrate metabolism. Key benefits of biotin: it maintains healthy skin, hair and nails. It generates energy, that is ATP. It metabolizes fatty acids and protein. It helps proper functioning of digestive tract. Biotin supports proper functioning of thyroid and adrenal gland. It maintains blood sugar level. It promotes normal growth and supports fetal development. Causes of biotin deficiency: due to prolonged antibiotic usage, gut flora may reduce. Metabolic diseases may lead to biotin deficiency. Again, hormonal imbalances also lead to biotin deficiency. Hereditary factors that leads to biotinidase enzyme deficiency leads to biotin deficiency. Signs and symptoms of biotin deficiency: anorexia, lethargy, stunted growth and diarrhea. Other deficiency signs and symptoms are alopecia, dry, flaky and scaly skin, brittle hair and nails, skin lesions, dry and dull hair coat. When your animal is suffering from vitamin B7 deficiency, vitamin B7 supplementation is necessary. Biotin available as tablets, gummies, capsules, kibbles or powder form. Indications of vitamin B7 supplementation: conditions like alopecia, dermatitis, dry skin, crusty lesions to reduce itching and scratching, in conditions like brittle nails and hair, and during molting. For elderly dogs, vitamin B7 supplementation is necessary to maintain energy level, for proper functioning of nervous system, and maintain muscle mass during aging process. Plant sources rich in biotin are spinach, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, cauliflower and broccoli. Fishes rich in biotin are salmon, tuna, halibut, shrimps and sardines. Animal sources that are rich in biotin are egg yolk, milk and dairy products, beef, organ meats such as liver, kidney and heart, pork and chicken. Now we are at the end of the presentation. Hope you enjoy well and gain deep insight about vitamin B7 and its importance for your dog. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Leave your comments below. Meet you soon with another valuable episode. Until then, take care. Goodbye.